Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Oppo Reno 8T, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. To record calls on your device, you can use phone application, but not in every country. For example, I'll show you. You can open settings in your phone application, and here under black number you can see your call recording feature, but I have no this feature because the laws of European Union where I live prohibits call recording. So you can have this feature in India but not in US or UE. Okay, so great. If you want to record calls, you need to use third-party applications. So open Play Store and find here any ACR application. I suggest you try Cube ACR because you can use it completely for free. So find it, click install. Then click open. Next. Grant permissions while using allow. Enable app connector. Then here find Cube ACR app connector. Enable it, allow. Okay, go it, allow, yes, while using the app, and great. Of course, you can pay for unlimited access, but what you will have with this unlimited access? Cloud backup. Okay, we don't use it. App lock with PIN. You have an Oppo device, so you can lock your apps with PIN using just normal phone settings. Instant post call actions. Okay, we don't need it. No ads and more. We have no ads in this application. I don't know why you want to pay for it. So great. And now you need to block your application. So click lock in this menu. And great, now your application QPHR will work in background, so all your calls will be automatically recorded. And if you want to find your recordings, just open QPHR application, and here you will see the menu with recordings. And of course, you need to remember that if you don't have root access on your device, Cube ACR will record sounds only from your microphone, and if you want to record calls if you want to record your voice and voice of your communication partner, you need to download root access or just use external speaker when calling. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.